Hello, Tashtalek. Now I will say the first 26 phonic communicators of the sound wave program. I want you to listen very carefully. Just first listen and hear me out, and then follow me. The first sound is B. I want you to listen carefully, and this time you say after me. B. Good. The second sound is K. S. Listen carefully. It's K. S. Very good. The third sound is D. Don't say duh. It is D. Very good. The fourth sound is F. You place your teeth on the lower lip, and it's just air. It just says F. It's not P or F. It's just air. F. The next one has two possible sounds. Listen carefully, and they are G, J. Now say after me, G, J. Very good. The next sound is H. It's just air. There's no voice to it. Don't say H. It's just H. Very good. The next sound is J, as in G, J. The next sound is K. Listen carefully. It's not K, it's K. And if I want to refer to it, I would tell it as the tall K. Very good. The next sound is oo. Listen carefully. Oo. Your tongue touches your alveolar, right? On the top of your mouth. It's oo. Very good. The next sound is right? Your lips should be straight. Very good. The next sound is The sound comes a little bit from the nose, all right? It's Very good. The next sound is P. Listen carefully. It's P. It's not pa or pa. It is P. Very good. The next one has two possible sounds. Listen carefully. The sounds are Qu, K. All right? Listen carefully. It's Qu, K. Very good. The next sound is Just one sound. Just says You have to curl your tongue. Very good. The next is it has two possible sounds. Listen carefully. It's S and Z. The first sound is just air. It's S. And the second sound, you give voice to it. It's Z. All right? Listen carefully again. It's S, Z. Very good. The next sound is T. T. It's not ta or da. It's T. Just air. Very good. The next sound is V. All right? V. There's voice to it. The next sound is W. W. All right? The next sound is X. X. Very good. The next is, it can have three possible sounds. Listen carefully. The sounds are Y, I. Say after me now. Y, I. The next sound is Z. Again, Z. Very good. Now these are the sounds of the first 21 consonants. Now after the consonants, we'll say the sound of the vowels. In English, as you know, there are 21 consonants and 5 vowels. Now the first vowel, it can have 4 possible sounds. Now listen very carefully. All right, four possible sounds. Sounds are eh, a, o. Again, eh, a, o. Very good. The next one, the next vowel has two possible sounds. Listen carefully. They are eh, e. Again, eh, e. Very good. The next vowel has two possible sounds. Listen carefully. The two sounds are I, I. The first one is a bit short. It's I. And the second one is I. Very good. The next one has three possible sounds. Now, if you want to listen to it and know it properly, learn it properly, you can do like this. It's the first sound is O, O, U. Again, O, O, U. Very good. Once again, O, O, U. The last sound of the first 26 phonic communicator is A, U, U. Again, A, U, U. Once again, A, U, U. Very good. You have done really well. Next one, we'll meet in the next lesson. Thank you very much.